Controversial Nigerian singer Bibu Kikiola Badmus, popularly known as Portable, has been arrested by the Kwara State Police Command over allegations of criminal defamation, threat to life, incitement, and character assassination against the Yoruba Fuji musician Mr. Saheed, widely known as Osupa. In a statement issued on Sunday by the First Public Relations Officer, SP Adetunwe Ejire Adeyemi, the arrest followed a formal petition filed by Mr. Saheed Osupa, alleging that Portable engaged in conduct likely to cause a breach of peace, including the use of abusive and insultive language directed at him. According to the police, operatives from the Kwara State Police Command traveled to Abeokuta, Ogun State on Saturday, April 13, 2025, where Portable was apprehended at about 7:25 p.m., where he was immediately transported to Ilorin for further investigation. The arrest follows several weeks of tension between the two musicians, which splitted over on social media and allegedly included threatening language and defamatory remarks made by Portable against Osupa. In response to the arrest, the Kwara State Police Command urged the public to avoid speculation and allow due process to take its course. While this has generated mixed reactions, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please drop your opinion in the comment box section below and stay tuned to Naija News TV.